Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to link your Sidra Chain to external wallet like Metamask. So first thing you're going to need to do is to install Metamask if you haven't already. So if you don't already have Metamask installed, download it from the official website or the App Store or Google Play Store. And then you just have to set up your Metamask wallet and save your seed phrase securely. And then for step number 2 is to link your Sidra chain to your MetaMask. So you'll need to manually add the Sidra chain network. So here's how you can do it. Just have to open your MetaMask on your browser or mobile device and then click on that network drop down at the top of the app. It might say the Ethereum mainnet by default. So you just have to tap on that drop down menu and select the add network, which is this one. And for mobile device, it's usually under settings. So you just have to go to settings, tap on network, and then add network. And you'll see this form. You just have to fill in the following Sidra chain network details. So for the network name, you just have to type in here Sidra chain. And for the RPC URL, you'll need to get this from Sidra Chain's official documentation or website. So as you can see in here, I've already saved it. I put it on my notepad, so that it's faster. And you just have to paste it in here. The chain ID, the symbol, the block explorer or URL. This is actually optional, but you can add the link to the block explorer for a Sidra chain if available. Now, after filling out these details, you just have to click Save. And once you add the network, your MetaMask wallet will be switched to Sidra chain if it's available in the network dropdown. So you should see Sidra chain as the active network in MetaMask. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!